guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, the main topic which I am going to discuss is a Terraform Cloud website. Yeah, so basically, so far as we have done different scripts we have run in Terraform, mostly what we do, we just implement through our Visual Studio Code, and it is going to deploy in the environment of our AWS. So that's AWS CLI approach. Mostly we do, but Terraform also gives us a liberty, like we can take advantage to use the Terraform Cloud website is a platform provided by HashiCorp for managing Terraform workflows in a collaborative and cloud-hosted environment. So it will build an infrastructure for us, and that's like a so what kind of advantage we are getting, like remote state management. So we are securely store and share Terraform state files, because in this website itself, it will look like that. I will show you. We just need to put a Terraform cloud website on the Google, and if we go here, HashiCorp sign in. So it is like that. Sign into HCP. This kind of, so here we can able to either do the sign up, like that, like we can put email and other thing, or continue with GitHub as well. So it will basically link up directly with GitHub. So as we already have a GitHub account, then we will go with GitHub because we want a version control system integration. That liberty we are taking, so we can use GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. So as like I have account in GitHub, or like either one you can use to automate your Terraform runs, as long as like any updation happen in the repository. So the automatic CD continuous deployment is going to happen through this HCP platform, and it is a version control, and the state file is also storing in remotely. And run automation, as I already triggers Terraform runs on code changes or manual starters. It depends, like manual also we can do, but like automation also we can perform. I just go I already log in to my GitHub, and you can create a new organization, as you can write any name here, and as it is associated with my email, and I create an organization. So as I created this organization or tutorial, and inside that I want to make a workspace. So workspace is basically like how you want it. Like I always emphasize on the VCW, version control workflow. We can move do with CLI or API driven. So API is basically we getting the API token, and through there we are performing. So I'm going to use the this one, select this one, and I want the GitHub, existing GitHub, and as already, if you say this thing enabled, so we already connect both our this account with our GitHub account. So inside that, I made it. You can make any file, new file as well if you want it. So, but I'm going to use this because already I have pushed. I will show you. So if you see inside that, my code I have pushed for you. So I made a repository and for Terraform Cloud, and I already pushed this configuration, which I'm going to use to make a S3 bucket, and also like I have enabled the versioning for you, like if any kind of new changes happen. So I just go and do create, and once it will get created, so this kind of thing should come like in the, and after then the main thing, like here we want it as like it is already sync up, but what happens like as like we are doing any changes inside our repository, then the trigger will happen, and the this SCP site platform will automatically get our S3 bucket. So as in the old process we do with the AWCLI, we just go init Terraform init plan apply. We don't need that thing to be done here. But here there's another thing we need to just enable. As like we know like we already set up this the it sync up with the GitHub, but the how they know where they are going to do this thing. So we need to add here the variables, so environment variables. So that is basically the, if you remember like we always use it, AWS access key, access key ID. So that is the same key like because I as you remember like we put it before the AWCLI, and we use AWCL configure in the Visual Studio. So if, wait a second, if I will show you, if you want to see like what I'm talking here, how the implementation is happening. So we already configure in the past basically AWS configure. So that thing, if you remember, like we put it manually our key, secret key region, and after then through that it is happening. This is AWSCL approach, but here we are not doing that. Here we are putting our approach. We are just going and let me just grab this, and I just need to show you one thing. We need to enable this sensitive. So the basic like this thing won't copy anywhere. This is very essential thing, so that's why I don't want this thing to be disclosed. And similar I wanted for AWS secret access key. So and I will copy my key. So same thing I will do, I will copy here and put sensitive and add variable. So sensitive add variable. So my, if you see both are there, and if I enable sensitive, so it won't show you the values. I think here I did it mistake. This is Terraform access key. Okay, we forget to enable. Always take care like when you're we should do environment, because Terraform variable is like this is those variable which we do remember AWS which we put it inside a variable file T3 T3 dot medium. So T2. So this kind of variables are Terraform variables, but environment variables are like related to AWS provider. Related to provider, we put it. So that is the, just take it that. I will just change this, delete this. I don't want Terraform. I want other. So I will put it and we'll come back. So I success. I am successfully already updated both information, and now we need to go back. So here if you see, I see nothing has happened because we didn't implemented anything yet, and I wanted one thing. Now here if you see, I put it like I just update this to 10, like the bucket size, and everything is there. I put it. This is the variable which we used inside our uh, configuration in HCP, and this is the same. So everything is there. You can see in the GitHub bucket as well. This one, like we already put it and push there. So we need to go and just push this into the GitHub. So git add main, git commit slash updated main.tf get push. So once push happen, if you see go here in the GitHub itself, you see you refresh it. So here you see as long as like, so because already like I enable the auto GitHub action. So if you see here, auto versioning tag is happened already, and this completion inside the Terraform is happening. Let's go and check it here as well. If we should get it like update here as well. uh, Let me just, okay, I just refresh and I got this. Let me see detail. Okay, yeah, so if you see here, um, updated main.tf, and this thing is happened. So lifecycle versioning, and this all information which we put it inside our main.tf file. Yeah, so all steps are there, if you see, and we just need to go down and confirm and apply. That how we need to do it. So apply and create the resources. So we just say confirm plan, uh, and run confirmed. So apply is happening. So because init and plan we don't want to do, but here, like if you see how graphically it is showing all the things, like it looks good, right? So like rather than like in when we are doing on the WCLI. So bucket is happening, and I'm waiting still. Oh, so it's run and confirmed. So we just need to go and check like meantime, because three steps are created, one is left. Let's see in our account. We need to sign in. So you see in output, because we already have put it the configuration, in configuration this output thing, and we quoted the ARN and this bucket name as well. So this bucket name 7D02 should be there in our GitHub account, in our AWS console. We need to go check S3. So it's getting open, and so CD02, if you see here, it's there. So this is 7D02. This is has been created through HCP, and that is a best way, I would say, like to see and keep the things like up to date, and with the help of that we can able to perform all the creation of our environment. And so state version created, so that is a state file. You can see here is the state file which is there, so you can download from here as well. And that is a major thing, the use of the Terraform HCP HashiCorp platform for us. And we can able to, whenever the perform updation is happening, automatically the planning will happen and executing, and just need to come here, and after then you just need to apply the new updation, and it will give you and able to make your infrastructure for you. One last thing I want to add, like if you, as I showed you already, the state other files, so you can see here as well, like the overview, run, how many runs we have done, state variable, and the major thing, like you made it live, right? Like if you want to delete your infrastructure, so how you can perform? So you go in the setting over the destruction and deletion. So manage destroy queue, and you just need to make your Terraform cloud queue destroy plan. So eventually you will see here like the same thing as we done apply. So the destruction is destroy run is happening. It will destroy our all infrastructure, basically S3 bucket which we made it, and along with all the add-ons like LIFECYCLE and other things will be destroyed as you see planning is happening. And until that, like we need to wait until we will get the confirmation. See, all four things are getting destroyed. And once I'd say apply pending, so confirm and apply, uh, testing done, confirm plan, done confirmed. Now still we need to wait until it will process, and after then we eventually won't see our S3 bucket that this bucket in 7D02. So still it's there until, see, it's not there, it's gone, already gone. So successfully deleted, so it's destroyed. Yeah, unconfirmed, testing done. Until that, like, we need to wait until this comes unconfirmed deleted. You see here. So this is our main graphical view with the Ashiko platform, and we can able to perform very easily through here. And thank you guys. That's all from this Terraform cloud.